I obviously want to redo my hair. I'm not going to show the whole process or anything like that. I'll link some videos down below, but maybe I just want to do kind of like a transformation, because as you can see, my hair is just not doing great. But it might be also the fact that I haven't showered in over 3 days because my hot water broke, and I literally refuse to take a cold shower. I listen to all these podcasts and they're always saying like, oh, take a cold shower, it's so great for you. Absolutely not, okay? I'm still like washing my face and doing all of that, but I have not been in a shower in 3 days, which is also kind of gross. I don't know why I'm telling you guys this, but I'm pretty sure the hot water is getting fixed. We're just waiting for it to warm up, so I'm not sure. But yeah, yesterday I actually did go to Sally's, and I mean, if you watch my hair videos, you probably already know this, but I do use this hair stuff. So this is the one and only argan oil in the color hot pink. And then for James's hair, I also, because as you guys saw, I accidentally turned his hair really freaking yellow, but for his hair I ended up just getting, you know, the same packet of bleach that I use, but I ended up using this new developer. So I haven't tried this shade yet, but this is the Wella Intense Very Light Blonde. But the reason why I'm literally even sitting down, because I could have shown you this when I did my hair, but I got a package today, and this is not sponsored at all. Like, I wasn't even told to make a video or anything like that. I actually stopped letting people send me stuff. Not that I'm cool like at all, but I feel like a year ago my channel definitely got more views than it does now, so I was constantly like saying yes to people sending me stuff. And this year for 2020, I just don't, okay? I know that may sound a little bit bratty, but it's just, I would rather not make a video, like a whole ass video dedicated to something that, I don't know, that's why I started vlogging and doing all that, because I want to literally only make videos that show value and it doesn't seem all selly. So that's why I was like, yes, I will let them send this to me, because I didn't have to make a video or anything. They just really wanted me to try it, and of course it has something to do with hair. So it is actually SPLAT, so it is like the whole funky hair colors and everything like that you could get at Walmart. And I'm really excited because they did like a whole Halloween themed box, and it literally looks so cute. Like, look at that, it's all themed with orange and black. So pretty much this is just like a PR box for Halloween and hair stuff, and obviously I really like doing hair on the channel, so yeah, that's why I said it. But they have this cute Halloween bag little tote, and in here they actually threw like candies in here. So obviously my ass is diabetic, so I can't like eat this. I mean, I can't eat it, I'm gonna eat it, but James will definitely enjoy it more. And then let's see what's actually in here. So they sent me so many hair colors. I'm literally so excited. Can we look at all this? This is literally my dream. Go figure that I literally bought this, and this package, by the way, came today, and I got this yesterday because I had no idea when it was gonna come in. So I have a lemon lime, a sugar plum, and then also a sun-kissed one. So I'm not sure exactly how these work. I've never really tried any hair chalks. These are not permanent, so I feel like this is gonna be great to do on James's hair, because he refuses to let me actually dye his hair a color like mine, but I'll just do a hair chalk on him. It says rinses easily with shampoo, so we'll see. And then I got all of these colors. So this is the complete kit with color, bleach, and peroxide. Now of course I do want to say this is box dye. I could be wrong, I'm pretty sure that's what it is, versus this. So if you go to a salon, a lot of salon things are going to be like, don't use box dye on your hair and things like that. So I'm gonna have to see exactly how to do this, because I'm not going to use the bleach in here, I don't think, because my hair is already bleached. So we have Blue Envy, Crimson Obsession, Pink fetish. Okay, this looks really cool. Maybe I'll use this on my hair instead of that. We'll see. And then also I have Lusty Lavender. This is also really cool. So this is hair color and it says it's best for brunettes. So it is a Midnight Indigo and then also a Midnight Ruby. So I think what I'm gonna do, since I have literally all of these hair colors, and let's be real, I'm not going to be using all of these. I've never done the giveaway and I feel like it's only fair because, you know, I get to do this and I only get to do this because of you guys. I think I'm going to go ahead and keep the pink for sure and probably the lemon lime because I want to try this on James. And I'll probably do the Midnight Ruby and also the Midnight Indigo because these are really good for brunettes. So this isn't really like the bleach thing. So I might do, you know, this situation right here and I'll add this one, so it could be like one situation right there. Maybe I'll do the Crimson Obsession with the Lusty Lavender. That one's for brunettes. This is more for blondes if you don't want to use the bleach. And since this is my first time doing a giveaway, I'm literally not sure how to go about this. I mean, I don't want to tell you guys to follow me on Instagram because that is just, I feel like if you're gonna do a giveaway and you're gonna tell someone to follow your Instagram, they're just gonna end up unfollowing you after, like, you know, the whole situation. I'll make this really easy and literally you can just comment down below exactly how you found my channel and I don't know, I guess your favorite type of videos from me and anything else you might want to add in there. This is the current state of the color, so let's see exactly how to do this because I haven't used like a box dye like this in literally can't tell you how long. It's been years, but again, we're not going to be using the bleach in hair or anything like that. Kind of scared that it might not use up my whole hair, but we'll see because my hair is fairly thin. I mean, I feel like it's like medium length, but it's thin, so there's not a lot of hair to cover because when I do use the argan oil or any hair dye that I get from Sally, I always end up having to use 2 tubes. But again, we're not going to be using the little lightener, but let's see. Oh my god, literally, how do I get this off? Am I stupid? Okay, that's definitely not what you do. James, what? How do I? I got it. I'm kind of scared. All right, you know what? Let's just. Guys, it got in my mouth. It literally got in my mouth. In my mouth. Good thing I'm wearing my hair dyeing shirt. All right. Messy. Definitely don't dye your hair like this at all. I have so many videos where I do it properly, but I'm literally so lazy that I don't even care at this point. I mean, it spreads really nicely, so I got that going for me. Let's do it. So, how's everybody's afternoon? Are we vibing today? Are we having fun? I got it on my rug. I have officially ran out of hair dye. I mean, I knew that would happen, but I'm going to show you how much is left. So that is how much is left. Obviously, I was really messy, so it was being touched and all that. I thought about actually using some of the Splat hair dye and maybe doing like the purple underneath, but I don't have that much hair left. I mean, I know in the back it probably looked like a lot, but this is literally how much is left. It's barely any. So I figured what I would do is I'm actually gonna dye the rest with the hot pink, and I just want to compare and contrast and see what the difference is, and that way there's not going to be like that much of a difference. I mean, I'm hoping not. We will see. So I just applied it, and I just want to show you guys the difference. I mean, you'll be able to tell. So there's that, and then all of this down here is the color, and as you can see, it's pretty much, I mean, again, I don't know how it's gonna look like when I wash it off, but it's pretty much the same color. So I'm hoping it'll do it right, but I mean, it's fine. Okay, it's just hair, so we'll see. All right, just get one last good look. I made a mess of the floor. Does anyone want to see the floor? No one cares. I'm going to show you anyways. Amazing. I love this for me. Always making a fat mess. So I set you guys down and I have it against the white wall, so hopefully you can see the full color. And I'm crouching like this because I have a tripod literally right here, but I'm losing daylight and I just didn't want to set it up because it takes like a really long time. Okay, anyways, that's so irrelevant. I just wanted to show you guys the hair. So I'm not really sure if the lighting is picking it up, but like right here, it definitely did pick up way more purple, and I think that's just because I'm not sure if it's the way I applied it or it's because it's not as blonde up there, like it's more orangey. But other than that, I mean, as you can see, like how I said, I dyed it down here a different color. I wouldn't say it's the same color. I definitely do want to say that the neon pink from Argan Oil, I don't know what happened, but as you guys know, I've used that hair for so long, but I'm pretty sure, okay, I could be wrong, but ever since they changed their packaging, for some reason the past 2 times that I've dyed it, my hair has been like, it doesn't come out as vibrant. But then again, I mean, I haven't tried it again. I only did it underneath, but it didn't come out as vibrant. I feel like on camera it's looking more vibrant than it really is, but I do just want to say that. And the Splat hair color definitely has more purple tones, and again, I don't know if that has to do with the fact that I have orange in my hair, because usually when I use a neon pink, I don't have that problem. Like, it'll just turn like a pinky orange, it doesn't turn purple. So yeah, that is pretty much it. You know, I don't really have anything else to say. I'm not trying to turn this into a hair vlog, so I will see you guys whatever I do next. I'm not sure what we're gonna do next, but I will see you guys when it happens.